I don't
This
remember.
looks familiar.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out with my son Scott. We've been out in there. Now we're going to go check out some of these extreme paved roads.
Watch out.
We're going to ride around like some city slickers.
As they say, the boys are back in town.
The boys are back in town. We're packing heat. And nobody gets in our way. Here we go. 25 miles an hour. You got your turn signal on for a reason?
Yeah.
Oh, I wasn't talking to you. Yeah, we'll just keep going straight. It may come out on Ramsey. If it goes up, surely it does.
Oh, I guarantee that's what that is right there.
What's this?
What we'll have to do, what we need to do is when we're on these other roads that are close by,
yeah,
keep an eye out for other entrances, like you did with that one back there.
Exactly.
At by the trash place.
And like we know there's one down Ramsey. There may be another one down Ramsey too.
I almost guarantee you there's another entrance further up this road somewhere.
I wouldn't doubt.
Like if we go this way.
Yeah.
If we go the other way, I almost guarantee there's another entrance. And if there is one over there, that could be good because that one might even be a better way to cut across.
Even closer, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this is pretty sweet. Oh, this is one of those streets that ends up here, ain't it? Yeah, it's Ramsey.
Yep.
I see it on the map now. We'll turn around at Ramsey and we'll go back.
Yeah, let's look and see if we can find other gates over there.
Right. Go back down this way and find some more. Maybe there's got to be like here. Nope, I thought that was one. That's just a ditch.
Well, you got to look out. They may not even have, some of them may not even have a sign. You just got to look for a spot that opens.
Exactly. Because we know it's state land.
Yeah.
They got a road right beside this paved road for the CTs. Right there on the left.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh yeah, just like on Jim's when they turn around.
When we turned, both of us turned around there.
Yeah.
That's what I thought of.
That's what I was thinking.
We're just out checking some roads out. We've been off out in here on state trust land riding. And
wait, was that where it was?
No. It was on down.
Oh, it was
a yellow
down.
van.
Oh, that's right. Okay. I was like, I thought it was right in front of another road. I was looking for it next to that sign.
Yeah, it was.
Because there was a sign like that right where we came out, I thought.
Yeah. We can actually go left up here first just to make sure, and we'll check and see where this road comes out. That way we'll know.
Oh,
you know what I mean? And then we'll come back and then go that way. That way we'll know, in case this is the only one, we'll know exactly where to turn to go on that road. Because I'll never remember the name. I'll have to see a building. But we've been out there riding, and now we're off out here checking for actually different entrances into
Well, yeah, we're looking for entrances.
Yeah. That way, and just in case, depending on where we're at, we can go into the state land.
Okay, so turn left here. But yeah, there it is. And that doesn't even look like a fence. That's what I'm saying is if you don't pay attention, you may not even notice that it's a fence. You may just think it's a sign.
It says cattle. Please clog gate.
It says something.
Well, it says something.
Yeah.
That resembles that. Please clog gate.
Agate. Please clog agate.
Agate. I don't know.
On the earth is that like two houses? Oh, it's just a bunch of.
Oh, I seen a rabbit. Volkswagen.
Yeah.
Scotty, he's actually my son up there. But anyway, he buys that blinker foot by the gallon.
Well, I gotta let people know
that I'm going to turn up here in a few miles when I get ready. I want you to know now that I'm going to turn.
I'm letting people know that I'm turned.
Turned. He's turned. He's not straight no more.
Help them turned up.
He's like, don't ever say that on the video.
That's not what turned means.
Oh. Well, why are you not turning the signal off?
Well, because I don't want to.
You didn't know I was talking about it was on.
Well, was it not off
No, it was on.
the second time?
No.
Well, because I was clicking it.
Oh, you didn't know that you did.
No, I was sitting here clicking it over and over again.
Yeah, they're kind of sticky on these CTs. It's not as good as the 300s, but the switch is not as good. It's kind of sticky.
I'm telling you, people are so bad at driving out here. And it's not like traffic jam stuff.
Yeah,
People are so bad at driving out here that, like, on a little dirt road,
yeah.
and it's completely flat, they're like, use this road at your own risk. Be careful. You might die.
Yeah, it's crazy the signs they have out here. And it's crazy the wrecks here
Like
around Sierra Vista.
Use this road at your own risk. I mean, my God, that's better than any road in Missouri.
Primitive
Oklahoma.
road. Use this road at your own risk. I mean, come on. What kind of an idiot are you? And then, but if you've seen all the wrecks that happen here by this town, now we'll turn around here.
Okay, I was going to go through the light.
Oh. So what road is this? So it's the one that says something
Camino Principal.
Camino Principal. El Camino Principal.
I don't know if we rode down this one.
Maybe we did.
I think we rode down the end of it.
Oh, when we was
because I think this is one of the ones that we went on that little trail back.
It's that one that park is all up through here on the left.
Yeah, we can turn around and go back and check for gates.
Yeah, we'll check here. But anyway, there is so many wrecks here at Sierra Vista, and you see these roads, how straight this is, flat. I mean, there's no hills, not really much curves at all, hardly any curves. But people wreck here. I mean, it's almost constant, the wrecks. I don't get it. I mean, the only thing I think is people absolutely don't pay attention. They just don't stop. They pull out in front of each other and just their brain somewhere else.
And there's not even a lot of the turns in town, or not even like low visibility turns with stuff blocking the view. And people will just whip out right into traffic and just not even pay attention at all.
So look at the road going up the mountain straight ahead of us.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like this road goes, there's dirt over there. See the dirt road straight?
Is this the one we tried to go to the into and it just stopped?
I don't know.
Is it the same road? Well, no, we can't because this is a dead end. It would have to go around and over to there.
Yeah, it has to go through, you go through that gate we went in.
Yeah, because I was going to say, this is a dead end over there.
Yeah, so I don't know. But it looks like it goes straight through there. There's one that goes up the mountain part of the way.
Yeah. So this is next to it's the turn at the MMA place.
But yeah, these roads are just like this. See that van pulling out? He'll pull right out in front of that truck, which he is pretty much.
Hey, look how slow he's turning.
Yeah, I mean, that's what they do. The truck wasn't real close, but he was close enough the van could have just waited.
Well, and it's like I always say, like if you have to slow down because somebody turned out, they turned out too late.
Right. And I can probably tell you one of the problems here too. Sierra Vista, Arizona, totally around this part of Arizona, southern Arizona, the roads around here are the stupidest speed limits you've ever seen in your life. It'll be, this road here will be a 35-mile-an-hour road, and one that's twisty and curvy and stuff, it'll be a 55 or 65. And this is a beautiful road, even if there's no houses. I'm not talking about if there's houses.
Yeah.
But the roads around here, the speed limits are crazy. Well, and I guarantee you everybody don't want to drive 35. They're going to do this road at 55.
Well, it's crazy to me because it's not like there's that much traffic. So the ironic part is people act like, oh, we have to slow down the roads around here because what if I need to pull out of my house and the traffic's too fast? It's like, okay, but just wait 2 seconds.
Yeah, because there's no cars for another 2 miles.
It's not like there's like one car on this whole road.
Yeah, there's one car way back behind us. And it turned off. Sorry to say, it was gaining on us.
Yeah. And that's what I'm saying is like you could just wait 2 seconds. I mean, it's not that important. You got to pull out in front of people. I mean, people are just in such a hurry.
That's what it is. People they don't want to wait. They got to go, go, go.
What's that smell? Almost smell like fireworks or something for a second.
Oh, I smell something funky. Okay, we'll go this way and that way and this way.
There it is again.
Don't know.
So it's funny because my nose doesn't work often, but when it does, I smell. It's kind of like a constant like. Oh, my nose is actually working. Hold
Yeah.
on, I can actually smell stuff because it's always so stuffed up.
Now we'll go down here, and there'll be one of these other streets. Probably goes left that will take you down to this road, and you can come across. You know.
Oh yeah,
Instead
true.
of taking that one up, you could probably go either way. Because I'd rather take these back roads myself than to drive the main road, 92. I'd rather be on this road any day. You can see the trail down here beside the road all the way. That's the way it is out Ramsey.
Yep.
People ride their side by sides, I guess, down through there. I don't know. I don't know why, because you can ride them on the streets.
There's a road going out this way to the right. We should look down here.
Is there a gate here? Right here?
Oh, there is a gate, but that looks like someone's property.
That's got to be somebody's property. Yeah, there's a building out there.
Yeah.
Oh, here it says Ramirez Brangus. Ramirez Brangus. Brangus. So you get brained. Yeah, we want to take a ride here.
Let's go look down here.
My goodness, this looks like this goes all the way out to Motion.
Yeah.
Some of these roads, they look that way.
Looks like a dead-end corner down here.
Yeah.
It's either a dead end or one of those corners where they put the signs to let you know, like, hey, don't drive off the road, dummy.
Yeah, it looks like it goes.
There's a lot of that, too.
Yeah, it looks like it goes left.
It's like, well, you know, if you didn't go 55 down this road, you might have seen the corner coming.
Yeah.
You don't need to go, 60.
Hey, actually, we can go back over there on them streets where we was. Yeah. We can go back on those streets where we was over there riding behind those houses and see if there's a way in there.
I guarantee the people that live here, they don't even go around. I bet they cut right through that every time.
That gravel spot, I guarantee you.
Oh, I guarantee they do.
Yeah, because why would you go all the way around?
Yeah.
It shows this goes
all the way
left.
around the cul-de-sac.
It shows this goes left, but it actually looks like a dead ends up in there.
Well, it's a left turn. It's just one of those like the one by the church.
Mm-hmm.
Nice houses over here.
It is, and they're clean.
They're all pretty new. Yeah. This is one of the spots that if you look on like Zillow, there's a lot of really nice houses in new development over here.
Probably like 25 to 50,000.
Look at that.
Probably 50,000 for that house.
Holy moly!
That one's 100,000, I guarantee you.
Yeah, probably. I wouldn't buy this house because look at that pile of rocks. That's disgusting. And look at that piece of junk. We don't live out here with these Jeeps.
Why would you park a truck out? Like, I'd be embarrassed to park a Gladiator out in front of a house.
Yeah, I would too.
I'd be embarrassed to leave my turn signal on all the time too.
I wouldn't even have it on ever.
Look at the firehouse. Here's a firehouse. It looks like
it. End.
Yeah, but is there a gate here?
There's a road?
Yeah, that's on the map. It's over there.
Look at that. There's a road right here.
It's made for the TTs.
Look at that. They made this just for us.
That's what it is. Hey.
Make sure someone's not ripping it up through here, because they will. And you know that people on these back roads, it's like in Missouri, if you live near a back road, and the people who live there, they fly down those roads.
Yeah.
That's a cool little gate.
I got the police scanner at the house going all the time. Them fire department and stuff, the state troopers, they're out wrecks nonstop around here.
I bet this is a dead end.
It is.
Oh, there's another trail going out that way, though, it looks like.
Yeah, I don't know if it's open, but there's a fence right there.
They're not even done building this one.
Anybody says anything while we're in here, we're thinking about buying one of these.
Yeah. I might actually do it. Who knows?
Yeah. Well, these are close together.
Now that's a small rabbit. That's that's one of the normal ones.
For sale right here. 10 acres for 20,000. Sewer, water, and electric. Damn, that ain't bad.
Yeah, right. I'd be going to the bank.
Now that would suck.
I'd be going to the bank to make an investment. They're getting close to being done with this one. Where'd you go?
I'm back here riding trails.
Oh.
I'm coming. I was just checking out. You ain't checking everything out.
Look at this weird garage with there's 3 double doors on the side of it.
Weird.
What on earth is that?
I'd say
Just
it's
closets?
closets, yeah, because it's real thin right there. The other side here is shelves.
So weird. I guess they want a lot of cupboard space or something. It's just like a
So
giant pantry.
why is it that everybody puts these rock-looking shingles on the roof here in Sierra Vista and Arizona? They
It's just
don't.
what they do, I guess.
Yeah, they don't do it in Missouri. Is it something to do with the heat?
It might help
Maybe
with the heat or
somebody can
something.
comment on here and let us know, because I really don't know. But even like your house has them.
Yeah.
They're not regular shingles like in Missouri. You know, the tar shingles with the gravel on it.
Yeah. There's a lot of really nice houses out here, though.
Yeah, there is, no doubt. It's pretty cool.
You
Nice
see
stuff.
that gate with the hunting dog?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a nice area out in here. It's all pretty much new development, you can tell.
Oh yeah, no, these houses are all
Late
last
model.
like 10 or 20 years. They haven't had a chance to be baked by the sun yet.
I like the colors of the houses here.
I mean, they look newer than our house.
Yeah. Oh, I bet this.
And our house is only 23 years old.
Yeah, this part of town is probably a newer part of town than that for sure.
Yeah. I still have not gone down a single bar.
I haven't either, no. This thing gets horrible gas mileage.
I know. Man, they got some cars, I guess. Oh, this is a stop sign.
Oh, we supposed to stop?
Trespassing. That's private property.
It's locked.
Yep.
No outlet. Well, you can see it.
Yeah.
Usually those are on roads that you can't see. That one's like 50 foot at the end of the street.
Yeah.
I was letting you in front.
Oh, I was letting you in front.
But they got one right there making sure you know there's no outlet on that cul-de-sac.
Yep. They got a freaking bus parked out there.
Living in it?
A green bus. Yeah, it looked like Grandpa Walter's bus.
They're making streets out through here.
Oh yeah. Too many people wanting to live here. They're gonna build and build and build and build and just keep going. I mean, just like we're doing, just further out.
Okay, we gotta find a street to get back to.
Hey, there's Kevin Street.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Well, we already found Newman Street, or Newman Road. What kind of a truck is that? Boom truck.
I don't know. Some kind of wiring.
Okay guys, we've explored enough on this video. We're going to make another one. We'll have to make it so they come home. But thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. More videos on the way. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.